let's put it in reverse, and it works great. Hello guys, and welcome back to the point of view or the GoPro videos. Now we're back again. Now in today's video we're gonna be installing, if you see this door handle, we're gonna install another one that has a backup camera. It's gonna be right here. Now this is especially for the BMW E60. You know, any E60 will works, but you need some requirement in order to make it works. Now there's like multiple choices you could go with. There's like the cheap Chinese knockoff one. It could go, it's a little bit lame, but it works. I'm gonna have a picture right here or right there. And then there's another choice, which is like I guess like from the Beamer Tech. It goes for around like $600 to $800, I guess. But there's a version, that one I'm gonna show you today, that is a little bit affordable. But the screen that I bought from AliExpress, I will link down in the description where I bought it from, and you guys have the choice to go for whatever you want like. But for right now, actually all you need is this is the upgraded trunk handle, I would call it, or whatever, you know what I mean. It's the trunk grip that you open the trunk with. And let's go inside the car actually, so I could show you better, because outside is kind of sunny today, it's hot. So this is kind of like your you know, like normal door trunk handler, you know. But the cool thing, there's a camera right here, and I believe this is for the lock and unlocking functional, and this for the camera itself. So the option that I went with, excuse me for all that mess, the option that I went with is this screen right here. There's an SD card right here, you could, you know, swap, put another one if you want, bigger one. But this screen right here, it's really way better. Now it's not way better in every single way than the original one. The only downside about this screen, that is the view angle out of it is not that great. So you know, when the screen is right here, you're driving right here, you're trying to view, you know, you're driving, you're trying to review like your Google Map or wherever, media player, whatever you have it on the screen. It's really hard to look at it because it's not an APS-C screen. Now this is the only downside about this screen. Otherwise it's really great. It's better than the OEM one, the original one, in every single way. Now you have to be careful, because I've had this issue. In order to install the backup screen, the backup camera, I thought that I have to connect it to one of these yellows, especially the video input, which one of these yellow, whatever. But it turned out that there is a trigger. There's like a reverse trigger. See, it says camera, and then this pink one, it says camera DET, which is, this is the 360 camera. If you want to install a 360 camera, hell, you could do this, and this, you could do it, and maybe we could do this in the future. Let me know what you guys think if you wanted me to do it. Anyway, so let's back again to our subject. And it comes with the itself video. It says back video. So here we go. This is your backup reverse trigger, your 360, your video camera. And I think these are meant to be for the rest of the cameras, but this is mainly for the backup camera. So before putting these back, it always good to do a test before you you know, before you do everything, before you put everything back. So we're gonna go ahead and install the backup camera, trunk door opener, whatever, and we're gonna feed the wire all the way right there, and I will see you there. So on right here, you wanna open your trunk. Now put your hand behind right here. You wanna put your hand behind here, and you wanna push it. You could tell there's like 2 clips. You just pull it right now. You unhook it from, so it goes first, and then it sits pretty okay. We're gonna feed the wire all the way to there. all the way right here. So what are we doing? We're going to the passenger rear side and we're gonna pop out the back seat. That's how you release it, and then just pull it, and hopefully you can see the wire. So you pull it from here and then make sure to have enough, and then what you want to do now, this is the hard part. You want to make sure that the wire, it goes from here all the way right there. So I managed to get these. You could try from here. I was thinking this is easier if you try from here, you know what I mean? Okay. You just pull the remaining of the cable. We wanted it to be probably go from here to here to here, just to make it look good, and then follow the 2 arrows and voila. Okay, so that just tells me that I need to push it a little bit because we have a little bit of space right here, or you could just put it underneath the hood, I mean the trunk, which everything is great right here. This shoe works. Okay, now the next step is, okay, pull as much as you want, I mean as much as you have, and then now you could pull this, you could, like, you know, pull them out, but I found a way that I could just, you know, squeeze them. I don't need to, you know, make my life harder, so I'm just gonna squeeze them inside, which they're disappearing right now, so that's great. Just underneath the carpet. Now let's just test things out before, you know, we do all this complicated stuff, which is really not complicated. But let's put this into it, like the back video as they advertise, and the trigger, or whatever you call it, into that. And let's turn on the car and see how it works. Okay, so let's put it in reverse, and it works great. Now we have a reverse backup camera. Now don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you until the next one. Bye, peace out.